Creating an audience in MailChimp allows you to manage and segment your email subscribers effectively. But first, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Bryana Barahona and I'm a digital marketing lead at Greyson Enterprises. As a digital marketer, I understand the importance of effective audience management and segmentation for successful email campaigns. So let's dive in and learn how to create an audience in MailChimp. After you have officially logged into your MailChimp account, you want to click on the audience in the left navigation menu. If you already have an audience, it would automatically show up. Since we already have an audience, we're going to simply click on Greyson Enterprises audience. Then we're going to scroll down and click on View Audiences. From there, we're going to click on Create Audience in the top right corner button. Then click on Create Audience again. After you landed here, you're going to want to fill out all the audience details from your selected audience. These include audience name, default from email address, default from name, campaign URL settings which can be generated automatically or be selected from your domain name that's owned by you. You can also continue down further by reminding people of how they joined your audience. For example, I'm going to type out, "You are receiving our reminder email because you opted in to our emails through our website." You also need to fill in your contact information since this is necessary to comply with the US CAN-SPAM Act. And if you go down further, you have options such as enable double opt-in, enable GDPR fields, and notifications of your subscriber activity which will be sent to your designated email or company's email. I'm going to quickly make a sample audience for the demonstration of this video. After you set your audience, you land on this page where you can finally add your first contact. Click on Add Contacts, then click on Add a Subscriber. Fill in the subscriber's information into the tabs. On the bottom of the page, you have the option to add tags. Tags are a way for you to organize your subscriber list. You can also update the subscriber's profile if they've already been in your audience before, or you could just simply add them to your new audience list. After you finally added in your subscribers, you can now manage your contacts through the options that are given in the list. You can also click on subscriber preferences, which will allow you to build forms to gain feedback from your audience. You can lastly click on settings, where you have the option to customize your audience segment and customize how you want to interact with your audience for future campaigns. You have finally learned how to create your first audience. Now you're one step closer to becoming an email marketing professional. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest videos.